Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you the best VPN that has the best movies. Streaming VPNs enable you to redirect all of your internet traffic through a secure server located in a different location than your own. This is useful if you are on vacation or working overseas and geo-restrictions prevent you from viewing your favorite material as you would at home. Turn on a VPN and connect to a server in your own country, and voila! You'll be able to stream as if you were sitting on your own sofa. However, not all VPNs are created equal, so it might take a considerable amount of trial and error to locate one that effectively circumvents restrictions. Fortunately, we've done the legwork and compiled the top streaming VPN options. Here's how to get a Pure VPN. First is you need to subscribe to a Pure VPN premium plan. Next is to download and install Pure VPN. The download link can be found at purevpn.com. In a single click, you may get the program onto your computer. Launch the executable file after the download is complete and follow the on-screen instructions. Please be aware that you will need to exit all running programs before proceeding. Select Run as an Administrator from the Pure VPN Installation Folders menu and click to begin the setup process. When you try to make changes that require administrative privileges, Windows UAC or user account control will prompt you to enter your password. Just type in the code you were given and hit Yes to continue. Upon completion of the process, the program will begin and provide a brief introduction to its various features and functions. The easiest way to get most of the app is to take time to watch the videos and read the instructions. After going through the training materials, you should find the control panel to be user-friendly. For the initial login, use the email address and password that were provided to you when you subscribed. Connect to any server, then you're all set. Pure VPN feels different from the start. A panel displays 5 options: Stream, Internet Freedom, Security, Privacy, File Sharing, and Remote, DDIP, short for Dedicated IP Address. Pure VPN customizes your experience based on your choices. I wonder if this group will help someone to get online. Most Pure VPN settings are straightforward. There you have it! You can now watch your favorite movies! Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget you can claim your free trial on the link below. Check out my channel for more tutorial videos. I hope you found this video helpful. Leave a thumbs up if this worked for you guys. You can find all the links below and don't forget to subscribe on our channel for more tutorials.